Hi there, so sorry, I already did most of this. What I got here is the idle air intake control valve from a 2003 Honda Accord. This is oriented like that. It comes off there. I'm cleaning it out right now. There's a ton of carbon deposits in there. So what happened is this was really hard to spin, and I could get it a little bit and then it would rub up on something and I couldn't really twist it. I didn't try very hard, but I'm just spraying throttle body cleaner, and I got a bunch of crap out of there. There's a bunch of black crap in there. Still a little bit left to go. I'm gonna keep going with it and I'll let you know if that fixes my surging idle problem. Sorry, this is a terrible video. I just thought I'd document it while I'm at this point because I got to this point thanks to other people documenting it on YouTube. Okay, good luck. I'm not quite sure how to film this so you can see it with the amount of hands I have, but where it's sticking in the rotation is getting stuck open, which explains the surging idle and not the engine dying. So there's the little, I don't know what to call that, the valve, and it gets stuck right in there. And I'm hardly putting any torque. You can see I'm just doing it with my finger there. And I can get it free, and it was pretty stuck before I started messing with it. But yeah. So I wish I did this at the beginning for before and after, but I just kind of want to show how loose I got it. I can spin it, and it spins about that long. So not totally free, and that's much better than it was. I bought one on eBay that claimed to be real. So this says 97 in there. This is the real one that came off my car. I'm not sure you can see that. But there's a 97 in there. And this axle does not come out. There's a fixed, sealed off bearing in there. So that's, I mean, I'm not 100% sure this is original, but I think it is. I'm not the original owner of this car. But this looks real. The other one doesn't. Side note, these are number 20 pentalobe screws that hold this thing on there. So I did the relearn idle procedure and we're back down in a normal idle range of like 700.